Hey guys, I'm back and today it's going to be a quick and short and sweet video. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I'm sat in front of my phone flashlight because it's 6:05 in the evening and I left filming to the last minute and it's dark because it's winter. That might be why honestly the fuzziness around me and then just like a white figure in the middle is whatever, but I'm going to be testing out the Sense Beauty Blackhead Peel Off face mask. I bought these from Poundland, so I was really intrigued to see whether they would work or not because my pores are pretty big and they get blocked because they use a lot of makeup, moisturiser and just like skincare and acne treatment. I'm looking forward to see how they work, so I will just take off this makeup and we'll get right into the video. Okay, so the instructions on this thing say to avoid sensitive areas of the face, such as skin near the eyes, apply to areas such as nose, chin and forehead, clean your face like you normally do, well I've done that. Apply an even layer, wait for 15 to 20 minutes and let it dry completely. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on, leave it for 20 minutes while I continue to watch the client list, which I have been very addicted to lately. I'm hoping that I can finish it all before my free trial on Netflix ends, because I don't have any money, so yeah. God knows this could go terribly and I'd probably end up pulling out my eyebrows. Truth be known, with my bad luck. It's pretty liquidy and feels like glue. So this should be fun. Oh my god. I'm trying to avoid my eyebrows here. Okay, I feel like I'm putting black glue all over my face, trying not to get it on my blanket. It's somewhat satisfying putting this on. It just reminds me of the days when I used to put PVA glue all over my hands in primary school and peel it off. So if this is anything like that, then it shouldn't be too bad. I am getting a low battery sign on the iPod camera again. Oh my god, I've gotten in my eyebrows. It's kind of already setting as I'm putting it on, which is kind of hard to spread around. The area with most of my pores on is like my nose, the sides of my cheeks here and my chin and like my upper lip as well. That gets a lot of it for some reason. I don't know whether that is normal or whether it's just me. My skin is pretty sensitive and it's not like irritating me or anything yet. I may be speaking too soon. We will find out. Okay, so my iPod died, but I finished applying this mask and I'm trying to talk before it solidifies, otherwise I won't be able to move my mouth. So I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes like it says. Just literally peel away the mask, and if there's any remaining that you can't get off, then to use warm water to remove it. So I will get back to you in 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm trying to talk and it's like really tight on my face that it is now 5 to 7, so I am going to attempt to pull this off of my face. I have got to find a good place to start peeling this off. There we go. Okay, this is quite painful. I think it's like caught onto all of my baby hairs on my face. Oh my god. This is gonna hurt. Oh god. My skin has gone all red underneath it, so I'm kind of hoping that once this is off and it's kind of settled down from the trauma, that it won't stay red. It's not too hard to pull off, but it is quite, it's not painful, but it's just uncomfortable. If anyone's ever had like your eyebrows waxed or anything like that, or threaded, then you would probably relate to what this pain is like. I just know that there's going to be a lot of people that might be laughing at me right now. I'm trying not to laugh at myself, to be honest, because I know that I'm probably a complete idiot for doing this. I probably shouldn't have gone as far up as I did under my eyes because it hurts like hell. Okay, that's getting a bit easier now. The forehead is a lot easier, surprisingly. Maybe I should have started there. It makes your eyes and your nose water like crazy doing this. I need to blow my nose. The funny thing was, they did warn you on the back of the box that it may pull out your facial hair. And I think that's exactly what it's done, because my skin feels smoother, I have to say, especially around the side button area and the moustache area. So it is almost off my face. I'm kind of having to do it somewhat quickly because my mum just yelled upstairs to me, but I don't know what she wants because she didn't reply to me. And she goes, yeah? Food, apparently. Okay, so I have pulled the mask off my face. I washed off the remaining little bits that were still all around my face. And I have to say, my skin is a lot smoother. It pulled out my moustache hairs and a bit of my sideburns, so that's a good thing, right? Pretty disgusting, I have to admit. Overall, I think it's a win if you can stomach the wax removing type feeling. Then I'd say go for it, because I have sensitive skin and I do look a bit red. That's kind of a given, I think, with anyone, considering it's like pulling a massive plaster off your face, so you're bound to get a bit of redness. But that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share the video, comment, whatever, the whole shabam. I'll see you in my next video on Sunday. I have no idea if I'm doing an original or a cover yet, because I am spontaneous like that. Yeah, be sure to stick around and I will see you soon.